and this is his or her channel area on YouTube and Twitter and Mapa the Cryo Report. What the fuck is that? And I just started training, guys. Ooh, look at that, it's so awesome. I just started training and I'm sorry about this word, guys. I don't know this, but I'm gonna try. Para jogar e bem simples, apenas atrair aquele moshi. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I think let's get started, guys. And today, guys, I'm doing this challenge video and I'm reading this in the description in this map that it has 16 levels and you need to hit that little button there to enter this another room. So yeah, and I got my PvP texture pack again, guys, and yeah, I think let's get started. We have a bow with Unbreaking and Infinity 1 and Smite 1 and then a Deficiency 5. So yeah, I need to hit that button to get to the door and let's gonna get that there, wait, there. No? Oh, we hit it! Yes, let's go here. Now what? Oh, I think, guys, every obstacle, guys, it's gonna get harder and harder, I think, and yeah, let's hit the button there. No, it's stuck in this. What? Yes! Okay, level 2 done. So I think let's go here. What? Wow, you're kidding me, right? Oh my gosh. Oh, I think this chicken one. Yes! With one shot. I think this is level 3. Let's just gonna check this out. I think this is level 3, I guess. So this is level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, this is level 5, guys. And you shoot that there. No. No. Yes! Level 5 done. And now for level 6. Let's go. No, not that. Yeah. No, not nowhere. Yeah! Oh yeah, some Archer Pro skills. Now we just gonna sneak. It is easy. Yeah, that's easy. So level 7, I think, done. I think it's level 7. Oh no, this is not easy. Wait, what the crap am I gonna do that? Gonna go here? 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 What the fudge? I gotta go there. What? This is fudging hard. There? Man, this is fudging hard. I think I was gonna go there. No? There? No? There? There? Fudging hard, guys. I'm gonna go there. 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 This is impossible. I can't even hit it. Hit it. Yes! Finally! Now what? Oh, this one. Side. It's only side view. We can get that. Just put, no, not that. Freaking that. No, not that. That. There. No. There. No. There. Fudge it. There. I think this way. I think that. No. I'm totally raging here. I'm totally raging, guys. Fudging stupid game. Let's put it there. There it happened. Oh my gosh. Go! Stupid game. Let's just focus, Stark. Just freaking focus. Go! No! We need focus. Focus. Freaking focus. Just do it! No. Yes! Finally! Let's go here. No, it's upside down. What the fudge? Really? Really? Man, this hard. Go! Oh man. Just get that freaking button there. It's so hard. Go! Stupid button! What the fudge is this button? Such a stupid button! Yes! Finally! Yes! We do it! We done it! Now what? See the top? What the fudge? No. What the fudge? No. Stupid, this may happen. You can freaking open that! What the fudge? Go! No! Yes! Finally! Wow, now it's in the bottom. Yes! We done it, guys. Now what? Oh man, we need to lower that. Fucking lower that. No, it's getting harder and harder. Yep. Oh man, this is freaking hard. Look at my arms there, guys. It's freaking stuck up. I need to do this for the Raging Family, I think. What? Raging Family? Go. No! Stupid game! Invisible block. We can go here. Oh man. I can do this. It's so fucking hard. I can do this. It's freaking impossible. Yes! It's not impossible, guys. It's possible. You have to believe in yourself. Oh no. No, this is freaking impossible. Look at this. Can you hit that? It's freaking impossible. See? I'm taking back my words. I didn't go. No. Okay, Dark. Just believe. I believe! Yeah! Stupid game, I believe in you! Go, please, game! Game, please, game! Please, I believe in you! Just please, game, please! No! Oh, yes! Oh my god, this is so freaking hard! This is freaking hard, you can do this! Freaking believe! Freaking do this! Come on! Oh man! Oh my gosh, it's this. Fudging! Fudge this. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No! Stupid! Stupid game. Stupid. 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 Oh my gosh! I will take this forever! Please, game. Please just do the center and go here and be yourself, Doc. Just be yourself. Just do it like that. Just that. Just freaking do it. No. 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 It's freaking hard. I got 12 minutes. Oh my gosh. These tries are freaking hard, guys. You need to try this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I need to break in, guys. It's freaking hard. Oh my gosh, it's freaking hard. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh man, I think we need to sneak in, guys. Oh my gosh. No. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing this, guys, but... Oh, really? I got bust in? I think we're gonna go here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing this, guys, but... Technically, guys, I can't do that freaking that. That's freaking hard. Yeah, it's so freaking hard. I need to do this. It's freaking hard there. Oh yeah, we need to bust in. Oh yeah, here. So this is it. Oh man. I think we need to go up there. I'm sorry guys for bust in like that. I cheated, yeah. I mean it, I cheated, and I'm sorry guys, but I can do that. It's freaking hard. And this too, it's freaking hard. Oh no. I think guys, I'm gonna pause it, and I'm just gonna resume the video if I do this again. And so yeah, I'm just gonna pause it, and I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, and we're